Hello, I am Ji-Eun Lee. Today, we'll discuss cases of popliteal cysts, also known as Baker's cysts, rupturing and dissecting into surrounding structures. We'll examine one case where the dissection extends distally below the knee joint and another where it extends proximally. Let's begin with the typical presentation of a ruptured Baker's cyst. A ruptured popliteal cyst typically appears as a high-signal intensity edema dispersing into the adjacent soft tissues and fascial planes. Today, we'll focus on two particularly interesting cases: distal intramuscular dissection through the medial gastrocnemius muscle and proximal intramuscular dissection through the semimembranosus muscle. In the first case, a dissecting Baker's cyst may present clinically with tender fullness at the posteromedial aspect of the knee, just below the joint line. These lesions represent rare instances where a Baker's cyst penetrates the muscle fascia and is present outside and within a medial gastrocnemius muscle compartment. Moving on to our second case, we'll examine a dissecting cyst that extends superiorly into the semimembranosus muscle above the knee joint. It's worth noting that both of these cases can mimic trauma-induced myofascial muscle tears on imaging. However, there's a key distinguishing feature we must look for: the Baker's cyst neck. This structure extends to the posterior aspect of the knee joint, located between the semimembranosus tendon and the medial head of the gastrocnemius. Identifying this characteristic helps us differentiate these dissecting cysts from other pathologies. Thank you for watching. If you found my video helpful, please remember to like it.